How's it going, guys? Been without the bike for a little while now. I've been doing a bunch of work to the engine. Wilkins Harley Davidson's been helping me out with that quite a bit. My wife's been helping me do some videos, been doing some different places. You guys were able to meet her last time. It's been great being able to do those things with her. There are some blessings of being out of work during the pandemic. So I hope everybody's doing okay out there. We know that many have lost loved ones, and that's really tough. It's tough times that we're living in right now, but hopefully we can bring you guys a little bit of joy watching our videos. Hannah wants to show you something really cool that she's passionate about. There's a distillery in this area that she wants to show to you, and they have a mission this time of year to help and do some special events for the bees. So she'll tell you a little bit about that. I'm going to show you a little bit of our favorite rides that we've done this summer, a little bit of compilation of our beautiful area and the scenery, and just want to show you some of the fun that we've had. So hope you guys can smile and enjoy the ride.
So it is September 27th, which is the last day of Bees Knees Week here at Barr Hill Gin, which is located in the capital of Vermont. If you buy a Bees Knees from a participating restaurant, or if you go directly to their distillery, as I am today, they will plant 10 square feet of bee habitat. I'd like to get the Angels of Agriculture. We are doing a YouTube channel, so I just thought I'd do this because I think it's really cool. I love this place, and
nice.
If you want, I can blur you out and you don't have to be in there.
Well, it's okay. I've got a mask on.
Okay.
My identity should be pretty well protected.
So these are the spirits that Barr Hill makes. Their vodka is distilled entirely from raw honey. They say it takes 4 pounds of honey to make one bottle.
And also, thank you for asking.
Yeah.
It only really bothers me when people just start snapping pictures.
Right, I know.
You good?
And their Tomcat is their gin that's been aged for 6 months in a new American oak barrels. And their gin is distilled with juniper and then finished with raw honey. So every year Barr Hill makes a special effort to educate the public about pollinators and their impact on our lives. On their website they said last year that we lost over 45% of the honeybee colonies due to pesticides, diseases, and other environmental factors. So Barr Hill encourages the public to be more bee conscious. like supporting local beekeepers and refraining from using harmful chemicals on our lawns. And the fun way that the public gets involved is through Bees Knees Week.
It was really nice to be able to go to a local distillery that is trying to support our area. What cocktail did you get?
I got the Angels of Agriculture cocktail.
So what's in that cocktail?
Well, it contains all of their spirits in addition to Meyer lemon juice and zest, honey foam, propolis, pollen, raw honey, and honey bitters, and it's all inside of a beeswax lined bottle.